Meaning of Irving Berlin.
Irving Berlin.
Irving Berlin.
Irving Berlin.
Irving Berlin. Irving Berlin was an American composer and lyricist, widely considered one of the greatest songwriters in American history. He is famous for writing many popular songs, including White Christmas, God Bless America, and There's No Business Like Show Business. Berlin's career spanned several decades, from the early 1900s to the 1960s, and he wrote songs for numerous Broadway shows and Hollywood films. His music has remained popular and influential, and he is regarded as a pioneer of the American popular song.